when this is all over, everyone deserves a great vacation. Okay, I think we're recording. How I'm feeling. I am feeling
a combination of things. First and foremost, probably helpless.
I'm nervous about what is to come, what I might witness and how that might change me.
What we're gonna see, the decisions that we have to make.
Anxious and worried, yet at times, I guess, hopeful.
I am feeling anxious, yet hopeful. This strange dichotomy has become my new normal. I have seen devastating loss, as well as incredible healing.
Especially, now that we all watch movies about superheroes, like, heroes aren't really people, but we're meeting it as people who are fallible and imperfect and tired and cranky and
terrified,
frustrated,
tired,
and overwhelmed.
As I'm getting ready for work, I'm scared.
It's terrifying.
Scared, I'm anxious, but I'm also thankful and I'm very hopeful.
I have been a respiratory therapist for 9 years, primarily working in adult critical care.
I've been an ER nurse for 19 years.
I have been a NICU nurse for 19 years.
I've been a nurse for 20 years.
I've been a nurse for over 30 years.
I'm a doctor.
I work in the post-acute care world.
I'm a registered nurse.
We are healers.
As a healthcare provider, this is something we've always trained for. You don't expect it to ever become a reality.
the biggest source of fear is the unknown.
I think it's the unknown.
The TV, the media, the fear.
I am scared of what's to come.
Do I have enough to give?
We are asked to fight with little to no protection. And then when we offer to bring our own, it's not allowed.
It's like walking on eggshells the whole time, wondering, am I wearing enough to protect myself? Am I going to be able to take care of this patient?
As a single mom, no, make that a solo mom with no one else to raise my kids. I worry every day I step into the hospital to work.
Can I safely go home to my family and not worry about harming them?
What if something happens? Who will take care of my kids?
We signed up to do this, but we signed up to do it safely.
Like I mentioned, medicine makes me be the best version of myself I can be, but it's hard to keep that up. And it's have this ideal that you want to live up to because everyone's telling you to and cheering you to, but you just kind of, at a certain point, you just can't.
But at the end of the day, you leave work and there's notes all over the chalk sidewalk. People are so thankful that you're there to help them. So I feel joy. Pride in the choice that I made to be a healthcare provider.
Really, all I want to do is be there for my team and do what I can do and to help them and to protect them and to be there for each other.
Because this is what I signed up for, to care for others.
Just watching people come together has been a really true blessing for me.
Seeing the support and the positive vibes to those in healthcare and others considered essential workers, it really, really brings us up.
By those who I fight alongside every day, by those stepping up to help in any way they can, it's truly an amazing gift to be part of any of it.
Thankful that I'm able to do what I've loved to do for the last 30 years. And thankful that I get to take care of people and still get to be their advocate and speak for them when they don't have a voice.
Despite this fear and anxiety, I will continue to fight, and I will do whatever is needed of me every day.
Because you have saved lives throughout your whole career, and what you do matters.
At the end of the day, I'm a nurse, and all I want to do is take care of someone.
And people just need to take care of themselves. And I hope that they take a moment to do that every single day.
Giving and receiving random acts of kindness, enjoying uplifting music, experiencing joy through art, staying in the present, cuddling with my babies and husband, maintaining connections through technology, exercising, meditating, cleaning and organizing, taking time in the sun for lots of vitamin D, and most importantly, laughing and smiling.
And there's so many people that are behind us.
I'm going to choose hope and faith. I'm praying for us all, every minute of every day.
I feel grateful that I chose a career that I'm able to help so many people.
One of my favorite quotes is, "You can't always choose the music that life plays for us, but you can choose how you dance to it."
So I'm thankful and grateful, afraid, petrified, angry, but at the end of the day, I'm also very humbled.